Most AI videos feel completely random. One time, the result looks amazing, and the next time, it's completely unusable. The problem isn't the models, it's the lack of directing logic. But what if AI didn't just generate clips? What if it actually followed real filmmaking rules? Today, I'm going to show you the feature that turns Flova from a simple generator into a real directing system. It's called Skills. Right now, we're on Flova's homepage. At the top, you can see their message. Everyone can be a director with Flova, and here in the center, you'll find the main prompt box where everything begins. Below it, you'll notice 3 important tabs: Models, Skills, and Element. Most people only use Models, but Skills, that's where everything changes. Think of it like this. If Flova is your movie studio, Skills is your assistant director. Instead of guessing prompts and hoping for good results, Skills applies structured workflows, cinematic logic, and real filmmaking rules. This means more control, more consistency, and no more random outputs. So let's open Skills. The first skill is called Sora 2 Rich Multi-Shot Playthrough. This allows Flova to automatically generate multiple connected shots, each around 8 to 12 seconds, with built-in camera cuts, wide shots, close-ups, over-the-shoulder angles, natural transitions. Instead of one static clip, you get a full cinematic sequence. It feels like actual directing, not just generation. Here's where it gets even more powerful. Normally, AI videos suffer from character inconsistency. Faces change, details drift, scenes feel disconnected. But Flova solves this using a structured pipeline. First, it locks the character identity, then it generates the first frame, and finally, it builds the entire sequence around that foundation. This keeps everything stable from start to finish. Let's test it. My story is simple. A cyberpunk girl discovers a hidden robot in the rain. I enable rich multi-shot playthrough, enter the prompt, and click generate. Flova automatically plans the shots, controls camera angles, and keeps character consistency intact. This is directing logic, not randomness. Now let's look at models. Here, you can switch between engines like Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Kling 2.6, Wan 2.6, and Seedance. If one model isn't available, you simply switch. Same workflow, same skill, different engine, complete flexibility. Now let's explore another powerful skill: continuous storyboard between first and last frames. This solves one of the biggest problems in AI video: broken transitions. Here's how it works. The last frame of one shot becomes the starting point of the next shot. This creates smooth continuity, so instead of separate clips, you get one seamless cinematic flow. Perfect for storytelling. Now, open Element. This is where you create reusable assets, characters, objects, creatures. Once created, Flova remembers them. This allows you to build consistent stories, recurring characters, and full episodic content. This is essential for serious creators. Now let's talk about access and credits. Flova is now officially open to everyone. There's no invite code, no waitlist. You can start immediately. When you register using the link in the description or pinned comment, you'll receive 200 credits instantly. And every week, just by logging in, you'll receive another 200 credits automatically. If you explore the full workflow, you can earn additional bonus credits as well. Flova also has a referral system where inviting new users gives you extra credits. And if you upgrade, new subscribers receive bonus credits in their first month, effectively doubling their starting value. This makes it easy to start creating right away. So what makes Flova different? It's not just an AI generator, it's a structured directing system. Skills control the workflow. Elements control consistency. Models provide flexibility. Everything works together. This is a complete filmmaking pipeline. If you want to try it yourself, you can use the link in the description or the pinned comment. Start experimenting, build your own stories, and see what's possible when AI actually follows directing logic. Now I'm curious, do you prefer multi-shot cinematic sequences or continuous single-take scenes? Comment below, and if you want more deep AI breakdowns like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.